Hey, what's up? Welcome to the ultimate click-through rate manipulation tutorial. What's up, internet troublemakers? My name is James Jernigan, and in this Black Hat SEO tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CTR manipulation to rank on the first page of Google search results over and over and over again for super competitive keywords. Guaranteed. So if you want to rank on Google fast, I'm talking in like 48 hours, then make sure you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss any of the details about how I've been manipulating click-through rates to rank my content over and over again on the first page of Google search results. Now, of course, this is Black Hat SEO, so if that bothers you, this is not the video for you. What does Black Hat SEO mean? That means we are going to directly and blatantly violate Google's terms of use. We're going to disregard them. We're going to throw them out the window. Why am I doing that? Well, for me, I understand that Google has been mining my data and selling it and profiting from me just owning a smartphone and using the internet for probably a decade now. And at this point, I'm ready to start using my data, my phone, my internet connection to make money for me instead of making money for Google. So if that bothers you, click off the video now because you might not like some of the stuff that you're going to see. In fact, some people might not like you for doing some of the stuff I'm going to show you. This upsets a lot of people. People don't like that anyone off the street can go upload a video and put it on the first page of Google search results again overnight in 24 hours, 48 hours maximum. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. If that bothers you, now's the time to leave. If that gets you excited, then welcome to the club. Let's dive into exactly how it works. So the first thing I want to show you is what I'm talking about. Click-through rate manipulation. If you search this keyword on YouTube, here is my old video about this topic ranking #1, and this could be different where you are. These results vary a little bit by location, but I'm just trying to give you the best idea of what we're doing here. So you search CTR manipulation, here is my video ranking #1, despite people uploading videos about this keyword every couple months. And check this out. This video has 44,000 views and it was uploaded a year ago, but yet my video is ranking above it with only 5,000 views, a fraction of the views. So that's what I want to be showing you, how you can rank without a ton of views and without doing a ton of work and without having to jump through all of Google's hoops that they want you to do to wait months to get results and all that. That's not what we're doing here. But this is a super easy keyword, right? CTR manipulation, not a ton of competition for that because it's only us SEO nerds who want to rank for this term, right? So let's try something a little more competitive. What about Black Hat SEO? That's a lot more broad. Now we're getting into a bigger pool. So again, here I'm #2 right now, and again this fluctuates. You might see something a little different, but here above some of the biggest names when it comes to Black Hat SEO. But let's get even more competitive. What about make money anywhere, right? They say that make money online, make money keywords are some of the toughest. Well, here is my video. This is an ad at the top. Here's my video ranking #2 beneath John Crestani, a pretty big name in the affiliate marketing world. The video below mine has 93,000 views. Beneath that is a channel with this keyword as the name of the channel, yet my video is ranking here above the fold for make money anywhere. But let's get even more crazy. What about earn Bitcoin, right? There's no way that I could be on the first page of YouTube search results, the second biggest search engine in the world with billions of monthly users, right? And Bitcoin being one of the hottest trending topics, financial topics, right? The economy is turbulent. People are looking for a way out. They're looking to Bitcoin. So what if I wanted to rank for earn Bitcoin? Well, if we take a look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That puts me on the first page, the 10th result for this keyword, earn Bitcoin. And check it out. I'm ranking right below Binance. If you don't know who Binance is, they're one of the biggest cryptocurrency trading platforms, especially for new people getting into the world of crypto to buy and trade crypto. So my video is ranking right beneath theirs, and if we look up here, some of these videos have millions of views. Look, 2.1 million views, 42,000, 574,000 views. Guess how many my video has? Again, ranking on page 1 of YouTube for earn Bitcoin, 855 views 4 weeks ago. So for almost a month, my video has been on the first page. for this keyword. And you can actually absolutely do the same thing. Now, a lot of people ask me, James, will this work for Google My Business? Will this work for my website? I need to use this for clients. Can I use this for Google My Business or for my website? Yes, you can. Check this out. If you search SEO NYC, right, a digital marketing keyword, a very competitive digital marketing keyword in the most crowded city in America. If we scroll down here to the bottom of the page, yes, it is at the end, but you'll notice here people are running ads. They're paying money. And this is not a cheap keyword, by the way. People are paying money to show up on the first page. And here is my website showing up on page 1 of Google for a very competitive term using an extremely simple technique, which is what I want to show you here. In fact, I'm going to rank a video live. I'm going to be ranking for the keyword Facebook reach. I'm going to be ranking my own video that I just made, I just posted. So that is what we're going to be doing here. Here is the video in my account. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do to make this video pop up into search results, and then how to use this website, Microworkers, to actually pay people to engage with your video and get the results you want, which are these extended retention graphs where people watch your entire video. And because of that, YouTube thinks that it's very popular and they show it to more people. And again, what that looks like is your website or your YouTube video or your Google My Business showing up on the first page for these extremely competitive keywords and getting, 855 free views in the first month. So if that's something you're interested in, I can't wait to show it to you. We're going to dive into it right now. Click the link right down below this video, and I'll see you inside the training.